This is a brand new elevator at the brand new Embassy. This is a brand new elevator at the brand new Comfort Suites in La Vista, Nebraska. It's an OTIS with newer Series 2 or Series 7 features installed in 2016. This hotel just opened many years ago. So here we go. Oh, it's blue. This is my very first Series 7.
Hold on a second, hold on.
Four. Oh, it's hydraulic. It's a hydrofit. Well, this is my very first Series 7.
Okay.
One. Door close works. I like that. Just your pretty basic OTIS elevator. Features, newer Series 2 / Series 7 features. There's your phone. OTIS. Smile, you're on a camera. Security camera's up there. Say hi.
Hi. Okay. I want to see if they have any
Alright.
to see.
There it goes. Now listen to the motor. Be quiet, Mom. Listen.
Yeah.
Alright.
Don't go yet. Hold on.
Alright, that's it.